is a famous book written by Chinua Achebe, a writer from Nigeria. It talks about what happens when the traditional ways of Igbo people in Nigeria meet the new ideas brought by European missionaries. The main idea is that when these two cultures clash or bump into each other, it causes a lot of problems. The book shows how the Igbo community changes and falls apart because of these new influences. The title, Things Fall Apart, itself gives a hint that everything is breaking and changing in the story. The Igbo society in Things Fall Apart. People live in a close-knit community. They have special ways of doing things. Igbo society has leaders, warriors and farmers. It's a big pyramid with some people are more important than others. These things make Igbo culture special, but when the white missionaries come, it messes up these traditions and causes problems. As colonial forces advance, Christian missionaries led by a character like Mr. Brown arrive in Omofia. Mr. Brown takes a more understanding approach, attempting to emerge Christianity with traditional Igbo beliefs. However, as time passes, a more aggressive missionary, Reverend Smith, takes over, leading to cultural clashes, the erosion of the Igbo way of life. The clash between the traditional Igbo society and the encroaching colonial influence intensifies. Okonko, resistant to change, reacts with anger and defiance. However, the Igbo society faces a gradual erosion of its values, customs, and unity. Okonko's resistance to change and his inability to adapt ultimately lead to tragedy. As the Igbo society undergoes profound transformations, Okonko is a moment of despair, takes his own life. Things Fall Apart serves as a powerful commentary on the impact of colonialism on tradition societies. It explores the complexity of cultural coalition, the consequences of resistance to change, and the tragic outcomes to rigid ideologies.